Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to use and what exactly features available on SwifDoo for PDF editing, PDF compressing, merge PDF, and so many features available on that particular SwifDoo platform. So how to use it and where exactly you found this software? Let's start as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So simply open here, new tab, Google, type here SwifDoo, enter. First link is display here, a compressive PDF tool to create, convert, and so many features. So you just click here in the first link. I am providing you same link in same video description. So look at this here: edit PDF, convert PDF, merge PDF, compress PDF, and other PDF means create PDF, note PDF, sign PDF, and protect PDF. The software is available only in Windows operating system like Windows 10, Windows 8.1, and that one is absolutely free. You download the software and access as a offline as you working as a Excel, Microsoft Office, same features like this. So you just simply click here what exactly working on edit the PDF. You just download the software, install the software, and look like this change, everything is happened here. Such kind of features are available on that particular platform. Edit PDF as very easily. Any of PDF you just open on that software and edit and remove specific characters, specific images, specific paragraph using these features. Convert entire PDF to like a Word to PDF or PDF to PDF. Other features you can very easily convert as a PDF format and then access like MS Word, MS Images, scan copies, and other. Very easily you convert all images and use wherever you want. Merge PDF, if you have available two PDF as a single format, so you can merge those PDF as a one PDF file and access your data wherever you want. And next one is a compressed PDF. Suppose your PDF size like 16.57 MB, but after compressing the file size is 9.11 MB only. Here people are reducing like a 7 to 8 MB per files and without any damages of your data, means images all pixel as it is what exactly you want. Create PDF related features also available. You can open the software and create your PDF. That one is quite amazing. So you can use these tips and tricks, install the software, use for your work related on editing PDF, convert PDF, or any other task. It's quite amazing platform, and that one is absolutely free. So you just download as a Windows operating system and use. It's simple. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram, same Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.